designed for easy operation. Flexible swing arm control panel, comfortable from every angle. Intelligent CNC control system. Easy programming, fast parameter setting, high precision. Quick clamp system, quick mold change, reduced downtime and increased production efficiency. High precision servo back gauge, fast positioning, excellent repeatability, adjustable front support, stable material handling, more accurate bending, powerful hydraulic system, smooth motion, stable performance, accurate results, responsive foot pedal control, safe operation, rapid response. Engineered for precision. Easily handle everything from simple workpieces to complex bends. Excellent bending performance, smooth edges, precise angles, consistent dimensions.